What's going on, YouTube? So I purchased these horns from 6 Speed and I'm trying to figure out where to mount them. On the 2016 Dodge Dart, your horn mount would be right here. Where the hell did I put it? Find it real quick. That's these guys right here. It was held by a 10mm bolt right here on the driver's side. So I'm just trying to figure out where to mount these right here. And I had also bought a wiring harness. Since 2 horns were run off of 1 harness, this wiring harness comes with a relay, ground, and 2 outlets for the horns, and a fuse. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to get all this hooked up, and I'll be sure to post it up for you guys. Alright you guys, here we go. So these are the horns that are hooked up. I used my hole from my stock harness for the horns, both of them. Showed you guys in the previous video. They were attached right there. So I did one right there in that same hole, and you have one over here that matches. Hooked them up, ran the wire through here. And this is the relay. This is my stock wiring that went to the harness, which is this guy right here. Went ahead and cut it off. Ran my power and my ground. Ran them up through here, beneath the headlight assembly, and up on this side. Power. Plugged it up right here. This 10mm bolt. Pain in the ass to get off. My ground, I went ahead and connected it right here. I don't know if it's okay to use multiple wires to ground on 1 bolt, but I went ahead and did it and tried it out. Works out pretty well. And that's about it, guys. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thanks.